G'day guys! Today we've got a great little Chrissy treat for you. Little Santas made out of bananas. We call them Santa-nanas. All you need is a bunch of bananas, bamboo skewers, marshmallows big and small, M&Ms, strawberries and some raisins. Now first up we need to peel the nannies. Next, chop them in half. Now we need to skewer the banana. Push the blunt end of the skewer through the flat end of the banana. Now Santa needs a hat. Get your large marshmallows and cut them in half and chop the tops off your strawberries. And now you simply slide them on the bananas. And top it off with his little pom-pom. So pop 2 raisins on for his eyes and a red M&M for his nose. And keep building to make a whole tribe of Santas. How cute do they look? Well, there we have it guys, Santa-nanas. They're pretty cute and pretty healthy too. Time to get stuck in. Ah!